Bernstein. Sorry. Lenny, of course, Leonard Bernstein, wrote this absolutely delightful tune called, and the first time I saw it, I thought, dang, 63 beats to the measure and an 84th note gets one beat. But actually, that's 2 time signatures separated. And this tune is called I Want to Live in America.
I want to live in America.
I want to live in America. So can I be in America? Da, 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 da. And so actually what happens is every measure all the way through the piece, the first one is a 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The second one is a 3/4. And it just grooves just perfect. You know, you don't have to, for a while you have to count like mad, and then all of a sudden it just feels right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it really just moves the accent. The first one has 2 accents in it, the second one has 3 accents. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1 and a 2 and a 1, 2, 3, 1 and a 2. And every eighth note is equally the same. It's just the pulse that's different. And that's really and so the answer to the question that I asked first was, what's the difference between 3/4 and 6/8? It's where the pulses appear. That's the only difference.
We had a song like that in Concert Band Clinic, except it was 6/8 plus 2/4. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, and it was really catchy, and I couldn't get the song out of my head.
A lot of those that look like very tricky rhythms, as I say, turn into a groove that's really easy to feel. You can quit counting because you can just feel. A 10/4 is kind of a Latin feel where you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's down. Bum 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 bum. So it's really like 3 beats, and then 4 beats at the end of that. And you get tired of counting 10 after a while, but it's just 2 long pulses and then 2 short pulses, and it works really well. All right. Excuse me. Now, actually, I should give you the actual pulse in 2 pulses to a measure. The first one is always much stronger than the second. In 3 pulses, I already showed you, the first one is much stronger than the other 2. In quadruple meter, the first is large, the second small, the third is a little bit larger, but not as large as 1. In other words, if 3 were as big as 1, it would just be this one over and over again, wouldn't it? Right? So in other words, 2 and 4 are much less attacked, I guess. 3 is a little bit stronger, but if we ever get it so strong that it's the same strength as 1, then we really have just duplicated this. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right.
Unless, of course, you're playing Destifinato.
Yeah. Unless you're playing Destifinato.
Yeah.
Pa, 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 pa.
That's not how.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Da, 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 da.
That's not.
You had to say something. Bum, bum, bum,
Bum
bum,
bum 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 bum
Right,
bum
he wrote
bum
backwards
bum.
accents into that. Yeah.
Yeah, know that song.
I haven't played that in a while.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
better
we
play
should
that
not.
today.
No, we should not.
Yes, we should.
We
No,
should
no,
not.
we should not.
No, we should not play that song.
Our part sucks.
That's only because you can't play it.
That means I can play it fine.
Of course you can. Then why does it suck?
Because
Because you can't play it.
We shouldn't play
play
it.
it fine when I'm playing.
Where's Ryan on the
Now
ground?
I count 35 measures of rest. Then I fall asleep and I lose count and I wake up and I don't know where we are.
No, right?
Horrible.
I don't hate the song. I just don't want to play it. Don't make us play
picking
it.
things up, but it seems a little bit like Josh has a bone to pick with Doc about something. Seems
No,
like
they're
Josh
just very
never misses
talented
an
trombone
opportunity
players.
to stab Doc in the rib.
They're just 2 very talented trombone players with Andrew between them. No,
I think it's just,
Andrew is not between
between
them.
us to Andrew. I mean,
Andrew asks for it.
Well,
Yeah,
I might
but,
change it.
but the studies show that your section members who both ask for it and those who do not ask for it receive it. Therefore, we commonly assume that you are the common denominator.
I caught that on tape.
We're moving along.
All right.
Sammy,
Back in Utah.
Sammy, marry
It
me.
shows you there, the common simple meters are simple duple, and you'll notice that the underlying theme that is the same on all three of those is the 2 at the top. If it's 2 beats to measure, it's gonna be duple. Common or simple triple meters are 3, 8, 3, 4, and 3, 2. Again, anything with the 3 on top is gonna be triple. And then 4, 8, 4, 4, and 4, 2 are all quadruple. All right. Let's drop down and, gosh, Noah hasn't gotten back yet. I wonder, I
Uh-oh.
suppose we should send somebody to see if he is circling the drain or anything.
I think we should all go out
That's
as
all right.
like
I think-
a giant troll patrol and try and find him.
Patrol, patrol.
Wearing troll faces.
Instead of teachers'
Our best
aides,
troll
we should have, like
faces.
teachers bounty hunters to go to teachers.
I like that idea.
Can I sign up? Where do you sign
Yeah,
up?
I know, for real. Like, how could you have a better day than spend like an hour running around looking for people who are skipping?
That would be, there'd be a lot of people.
People who
signed
take
up
that
for
class to
I
skip.
would do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get to class.
And your grade could be commensurate with the number of people you bust.
Yes.
I see a lot of people taking that class to skip. I can see that.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. People are gonna ruin it because they're trolls.
I would like it. You've been trolled. You've been trolled.
All right.
Probably been told not to reply to this guy because he's trying to get a rise out of you. Yes, it's true.
Skip over to page 34.
New national anthem.
That's
And-
not the troll anthem for me.
Would you
For me, it'll always be
humor
that Russian
me and the author of this book? Would you read the 2, 4, 4, 4, and 3, 4 rhythms in a similar fashion to the way they have written it out, the capitals being louder than the non-capitals? In 2, 4, 1, 2, ready, go.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2,
And in 4, 4, 1, 2, ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4.
And you notice that when they don't have a note there for you, they don't put a number for you to count. So in the second measure, you'd say 1, 3, 4. And the
Left
3, 2,
flank cut.
well, don't,
I'm sorry.
it's all right. As in, if there is a half note that's covering up 2, we just don't say 2, okay? All right, here's the 3, 2, 1, 2, go.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
And when we divide the pulse, it's just as simple, and most of you already know how to do this. We use the word "and" to describe the second half of the 8 notes. The first half of the 8 notes are usually described by the number of the beat they're on. So we'd say 1, 2, and 1 and 2. Would you say that with me? Ready, go.
1, 2, and 1 and 2.
And then the 3, 4, ready, go.
1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3.
And the 4, 4, and you would not actually say the word 2 on this. Ready, go.
1 and 3 and 1, 2, 3.
And the 3, 2, 1, ready, go.
1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2 and 3.
And when we go to 16th notes,
2 and up.
2, E, and Right? Here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 and 1 and a 2. Notice that in the last measure, we left the E out because there is no second 16th note of 4. All right, let's do the bottom one. Ready, go.
1, 2, a 3, and 1, a 2, a 3.
Let's do that one again. 1, ready, go.
1, 2, a 3, and 1, a 2, a 3.
That's wonderful. let's drop down to performing simple meters. Just so that you can practice your trap set drumming again. The notes that hang below the line, I would like you to tap those with your toe. And I would like you to clap the top notes with your hands. Here we
Can I
go.
snap?
1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That was
Can you
great.
do that again?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh wait, hold on.